इनफैक्ट काफ़ी लोग आपसे नाराज़ हैं कि आप कह रहे हैं कि दैट 40 पे ट्विस्ट आते हैं, बट यू आर नॉट लुकिंग मोर देन 30 इन द प्रोमो.
Anyone can play any role, any age, at any stage.
Right.
Having said that, Deepika looks about 42 herself, so you know it kind of suits.
And my soul is 60.
You have that DDLJ moment as well.
It's not just only a spoof or a joke or by chance. It's actually kind of a fun, nice, interesting tribute. वो moment अपनी जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है माशाल्लाह, लेकिन इसका एक कुछ अलग ही मज़ा है.
It was a great experience.
Right.
And for that you need a fabulous producer like Shah Rukh Khan.
We don't believe in records. We just like, you know, to release a film individually. And having said that, I'm a little constructive person.
जी.
I truly believe if it's about records, then make them, don't break them. Dilwale runs in Maratha Mandir for X amount of years. Everyone in any corner feels very proud of it.
Absolutely.
And inshallah, there'll be films which will go beyond that also. कोई भी आदमी अगर ये आपको बोल दे फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर कि मैंने फिल्म इसलिए बनाई थी कि मैं ये कर दूंगा, तो उसका वो झूठी बोल रहे हैं. I truly believe he's new. And he's done a few films, a couple of them Jodha Akbar and I think Dabang 2. And he's really, really, really fantastic.
This is being said as your biggest film. You enjoy the entire experience?
It's been a fantastic experience for me.
Right.
All respects. Be it Rohit Bhai, working with Rohit Bhai has been like fantastic every single day. And working with Sir, it's actually like going to school. You get to learn something new every single day that you're on set.
Right.
Working with Deepika has been fantastic. I never thought I would be on so much fun.
Right.
Every single day I would really look forward to working. And kind of sad that it's come to an end. But yes, really, really happy and a fantastic experience.
Okay.
And you know, he has a very interesting role in the
Right.
film because he's the third party or the second party love interest.
जी.
And you need someone who has the personality, you know, to genuinely match the heroine because they have to get married or whatever. And without, ये भी तमिल नहीं जानता है,
जी.
but he's playing a Tamilian. You know, to be able to keep that persona with very few words, because इनको हिंदी बिल्कुल नहीं आती. दो जगह पर ये हिंदी का यूज़ करते हैं जो बहुत फनी और स्वीट है. हमको बाद में मालूम पड़ता. लेकिन the way he's kept the character going through the film, जब तक antagonist बोलते हैं ना, antagonist जब तक strong ना हो, antithesis strong ना हो, तब तक कोई भी picture की जो story है वो आगे नहीं बढ़ सकती. So I truly believe he's new. And he's done a few films, a couple of them Jodha Akbar and I think Dabang 2. And he's really, really, really fantastic in this film. Just by the persona, the way he's talking and the way he's looking and all, he's really good.
इनफैक्ट काफ़ी लोग आपसे नाराज़ हैं कि आप कह रहे हैं कि दैट 40 पे ट्विस्ट आते हैं, बट यू आर नॉट लुकिंग मोर देन 30 इन द प्रोमोज एज सच.
Myself Rahul, 40 साल का हो गया और नॉर्मली इस एज तक हर किसी की लाइफ में एक आधा बड़ा ट्विस्ट तो आ ही जाता है. मेरी लाइफ में भी एक ट्विस्ट आया, बहुत बड़ा ट्विस्ट, जिससे मेरी लाइफ ही बदल गई.
सो आपको उसके बारे में सच क्या कहना है?
Actually, you know, the whole story का जो शुरुआत है उसमें बात ये है कि एक लड़का है बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव से एटमॉस्फेयर में रहा है अपने दादा दादी के साथ, माँ बाप के फोर्थ होने के बाद. So the whole idea is that, you know, he's not been able to go out in life and do the things a guy at younger age would do because he lost his parents, and now he's with this really old couple, looks after them and listens to them because he has no parents. So by the time he gets the freedom, maybe he thinks life has passed him by. So we wanted the character to start saying that, and I think it's very gutsy of the director, the writers and everyone. Like, you know, you start the film by saying, yeah, I'm 40, and you know, mostly people have had a twist in their life by the age of 40, not at the age of 40. It could be at 25, 27, 30, but I have not had till now. And that's how the film begins. So I think it's an interesting take on characterization where anyone can play any role, any age, at any stage. And hopefully people will accept it.
Right.
Having said that, Deepika looks about 42 herself. So, you know, it kind of suits.
And my soul is 60.
You have that DDLJ moment as well when you're just taking out that hand in the train, and I think many people will immediately, I think the recall value is there from that as well. That's an iconic moment in Hindi.
That's actually a part of the script. वो इसलिए नहीं है कि by chance है.
जी.
हमारी जो कहानी की शुरुआत है वो उसी से मोड़ लेती है. तो it's not just only a spoof or a joke or by chance. It's actually kind of a fun, nice, interesting tribute. जब आप फिल्म में देखेंगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि वो मोमेंट अपनी जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है माशाल्लाह, लेकिन इसका एक कुछ अलग ही मज़ा है व्हेन यू सी द एक्चुअल मोमेंट.
I think technically the film is looking very interesting, especially I think the aerial shot which you have at the beginning itself. Something about the technical aspects of it. Who's the cinematographer and?
I have the same team who have shot all my films.
Ji.
The whole technical team is the same.
Right.
This is the first film that we have shot in many locations.
Right.
Like whether it's Goa, Vai, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Munnar, and Rameshwaram. It was a great experience. And for that you need a fabulous producer like Shah Rukh Khan.
The film it's a solo release on 8th August. Many people are saying that maybe records will be tumbled and all that stuff. So you looking forward to that?
We always ask this, and we out of decency give one answer, which is we don't believe in records. We just like to release a film individually. The truth of the matter is what I said in the beginning of the interview, that you want your film to be watched and enjoyed by a lot of people. And having said that, I'm a little constructive person. I truly believe if it's about records, then make them, don't break them. In their own steam, in their own genre, in their own space, and hopefully, inshallah, with all the team and the 200 people who are not here and will not be seen in any of the interviews mostly, just for all of them, that we feel like, see, Dilwale runs in Maratha Mandir for X amount of years. Everyone in any corner feels very proud of it.
Absolutely.
And inshallah, there will be films which will go beyond that also. But having said that, that record will remain. हम सुनील गावस्कर साहब को नहीं भूलते because सचिन तेंदुलकर आ रहे हैं. So I hope for all our sakes, there is some kind of a personal record or achievement we have with Chennai Express. बाकी किसका तोड़ा, किसका मोड़ा, किसको छोड़ा, तो ये सब I don't think is something we ever think when we start doing a film. कोई भी आदमी अगर ये आपको बोल दे फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर कि मैंने फिल्म इसलिए बनाई थी कि मैं ये कर दूंगा, तो उसका वो झूठी बोल रहे हैं. किसी को नहीं मालूम होता. अच्छाई से बनाओ, खुशी से बनाओ, जैसे ये बनी है फिल्म, हम हंस रहे हैं. And that's the main point, कि you're happy with the film. Mashallah, like you said, people are liking it. Hopefully the film will be liked like that, and then we'll see where it goes in terms of.
इसी के साथ जो हुई, तुम उसका सोलो विटनेस, इसलिए तुम हमारा साथ कुंभन गांव जाती चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस ले.